So if you looked at the servicing video for this, it was full of daft extra boards like this SWR board out of an AM set, and this looks like a microphone preamp for no reason except it introduced it sounding like a Dalek. So a lot of hours later it was being demodified and put back to standard, and it's turned out to be one of the best York 863s we've ever serviced. I see Mr Chippie's out there on Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm just making sure you're there, and I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
There we go, I'm in.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Alright, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're just heading up the lane on this sunny day with the green field on the right.
Roger on that, and we'll go back to high as usual.
Roger. Right, we're passing the lane onto the main road.
Roger on that.
Right, we're passing the lane onto the main road.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station, 141.9, 151.9.
Roger on that. Actually open.
It is. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you with the Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Just tell me whether this speech processor switch works on this, whether it's been deactivated. That's normal. That's in the clear position, and that's back to normal limit.
Yeah, no effect.
Oh, good.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that. There was a wizard prank earlier when I went into Grantham at 3 o'clock. It only just happened. This is where the crossroads is at Belton, and you've got the garden centre above the road. And two definitely written off cars, and still smoke pouring out. When I got as far as the hospital, a couple of miles later, I saw the first fire engine heading in that direction. And there you go.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a York JCB863 This is the one that's been extensively modified and messed with. And you are now Fabric Grill on it. So you're doing a full 4 watt output and on my standard replacement market.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Channel 32, please.
Yeah, roger that. Right, channel 32.
Yeah, channel 32, yeah.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
We've already got you at Wilsford level crossing. I've got someone a real long way away who's just breaking the squad from time to time.
Yeah, no problem. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
We've already got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
We've already got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
We've already got you the 5 mile point one. It's your case street in 1981. And I'm on a standard replacement high. It's going 1.3 amps to deliver a full 4 watt output. Let's go on to low power. 5432 watts. We are on low power. And it's doing 400 milliwatts and going 640 milliamps. Let's go back to full power. There we are on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. You were readable on low power, but its band is a bit noisy today, so it wasn't as good as normal.
No problem at all. It'll get worse once the leaves are coming back on the trees now in mid-February. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rosby level crossing. Over.
Have you got your ladder clear going over for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, gone up a little bit, 142.9, 153.9.
I don't know the cheeky what's it. Right, that's absolutely super duper, that works a treat. 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rosby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over Rosby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, gone up a little bit, 142.9, 153.9.
I don't know the cheeky what's it's. Right, that's absolutely super duper, that works a treat. 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Yeah, it works absolutely great, that. Okay. We'll go over to base station, remember to change channel back to there. And see what it sounds like with our standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the York JCB863 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll just do this on low power just in case. There we go on low power, 400 milliwatts back to normal power, that's a hum test. And then we'll just flick this clear normal switch. I don't think it's active. It really is the normal position, that's the clear position, back to normal, and there we go. I don't think there's any difference. Right, we're still battling on with the thingy Maycom. We're still battling on with that unusual CB1100, but we've actually got some circuit diagrams, and we're sorting out our one, which has been converted to 10 meters first. Then we can use the voltages we learned from ours, and hopefully fix the customer's one with the receive, which is frequency hopped. Other than that, we've got a Kaiser